Hello everyone, welcome back to Nafas Academy. This is Nafas speaking. To solve this question, we have to use long division. I'm writing the divisor and now it is dividend, right? 2x square minus 5. So to divide both of them, we have to make them equal of the first terms of divisor and dividend. So x square equals to x4, so we have to multiply by x with left side, then they are now equal. So x square is now quotient, right? So now we are multiplying with x square to the divisor. It is the expression, write it here. Since it is subtraction, so you have to change the sign. Minus 4x to the 4 and plus x to the 4 cancel out. Plus 2x square minus x square, it is positive x square. And bring down the 5. Now our target is x square and x square, right? Left side is x square, right side is x square. Divisor x square, dividend x square, they are already equal or same, so only multiply by 1. Yes, then now 1 is our quotient. Now 1 times whole divisor, the expression is x square plus 1. Write it over here. Since it is negative subtraction, so change the sign, cancel out both of them. Minus 5 minus 1, that is minus 6. Minus 6 is now remainder, right? So what is the rules to write it? At first write the quotient, x square plus 1, it is our quotient, right? Or the spelling of quotient? I'm confused. Okay, E, right. And it is remainder, and this part is divisor, right? And the last one is dividend. Okay. So rule says at first write the quotient, then plus sign. Write the plus sign, always write the plus sign. Now you draw a line and fractional line. Now numerator is remainder, it is minus 6, right? And the denominator is divisor. What is the divisor? X square plus 1, right? So write it. Yes, this is the answer. And thank you very much. I hope you understand. You can change the plus and minus sign to look good. Thank you.